using the TI-83 Plus calculator for testing goodness of fit. This video uses example 1 from section 11-2 titled Last Digits of Weights. Note that the following procedure applies to TI-84 Plus calculators. TI-83 Plus calculators require the Michael Lloyd program X2GOF. This program is included on the CD-ROM provided with the textbook or can be downloaded from the Triola Statistics Companion website. A brief description of the procedure using the program X2GOF will be provided at the end of this video. For TI-84 Plus calculators, begin by entering the observed frequencies in one list and the expected frequencies in a separate list. In this example, we have entered the 10 observed frequencies in list L1 and the 10 expected frequencies in list L2. Press Stat, then use the arrow key to select Tests from the top menu. Next, select chi-square GOF test and press Enter. For observed, enter the name of the list that contains the observed frequencies. In this example, we enter L1. For expected, enter the name of the list that contains the expected frequencies. In this example, we enter L2. For DF, enter the number of degrees of freedom, which is one less than the number of categories. In this example, we have 10 categories, so we enter 9 for degrees of freedom. Use the arrow keys to highlight, calculate, and press Enter. The displayed results will include the chi-square test statistic and the p-value as shown. In this example, the chi-square test statistic equals 212.8 and the p-value equals 0.000 when rounded. If we use the p-value method of testing hypotheses, we see the p-value is 0.000 when rounded, so we reject the null hypothesis. If we use the critical value method of testing hypotheses, we find that the test statistic of 212.8 is greater than the critical value of 16.919. Note that the critical value was found by using table A4 in the textbook. Because the test statistic falls in the critical region, there is sufficient evidence to reject the null hypothesis. In other words, there is sufficient evidence to support the claim that the last digits do not occur with the same relative frequency. If using the TI-83 Plus calculator, download the program X2GOF from the Triola Statistics CD-ROM or Triola Statistics Companion website. Enter the observed frequencies in the list L1 and enter the expected frequencies in the list L2. Press the program key and select X2GOF and press Enter. For observed list, enter L1 and press Enter. For expected list, enter L2 and press Enter. The results will include the chi-square test statistic, which will be labeled X2, and the p-value, which is labeled P.